It is March 11th and I'm doing some quick seed starting here. I started a bunch of vegetables here. I have the Bumblebee Blend, Sweet 100, Sun Gold, the Jimmy Nardello pepper, cucumber, Jimmy Nardello pepper, the patio choice yellow, a couple types of basil, 2 types of squash, and an eggplant. I put them all in here. About sometime in mid-February, I started a bunch of echinacea, the white swan and the purpurea, but they've been under a grow light in a guest bedroom / office in our house for the last 6 weeks. Anyway, I just wanted to share my seed starting. I have a couple little tools. I have the plant tags, which last year I confused a bunch of things because I didn't put enough plant tags out, so this year everything has a tag. I have some flowering sweet peas soaking here. Oh, one of the other things I did, which I did last year for the Jimmy Nardello pepper, I soaked these for 10 minutes in hydrogen peroxide. Really helped with the germination, came up really fast. Last couple things, I have these little tools that came as like a little gift in something I ordered, so I use these for seed starting. I've showed this a couple times. The spinach is here. I just planted more salad greens. I put in a couple cilantros, and of course we still have the onion starts over here. In the other bed, I have sugar snap peas growing, and they have now reached the top of my trellis, and I can start seeing that they're beginning to flower. Temperatures have warmed up enough, so I should start seeing peas in the next couple of weeks. And then of course the last of the onion starts, which I've shared several times. All right, one extra thing in here are these Japanese maple starts. The tree above me drops seeds around my yard. There's actually a couple Japanese maples in the yard. These are the little helicopter seeds that come off of the tree. Hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, come off the tree and fall all around the yard. And they just, so many of them germinate everywhere you look in my yard. I'll be pulling them up for months to come. A couple years ago, I actually dug up a bunch of them and grew them on for 2 years, and then I planted them up and gave them away as part of a fundraiser. That's all I have to share with you today. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.